Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look what is going on with Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin is having a bad day right now. We got rejected at $123,000. We're gonna have a look into that because everyone is freaking out right now. Why the hell we are dumping right now? But we're gonna have, of course, a clear look into the indicators, guys, and also why this move, in my opinion, is happening right now and why I believe that this is a great buy opportunity. We're gonna have a look together, guys, into the charts. I just woke up. We're gonna have a nice cup of coffee together and, of course, also have a look into Bitcoin. I just woke up, so we're gonna have a TA together and have a look also into different stuff that is going on. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Our community is growing every day. We are hitting almost 1,500 subscribers, so thank you very much for your great support. Make sure to be subscribed, you guys. I update you every day what is going on here in the crypto space, what is going on with Bitcoin, with new upcoming cryptos, with the exchanges that I'm using, Bybit, Binance, Phemex, and so on. I'm trading Bitcoin, I'm trading the altcoins, I'm buying into new coins that are currently going viral, and so on. Of course, remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing my own ideas, my own TA, and of course all the coins and yeah, basically what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and so on. So far we have been doing great, of course, and hopefully also we're gonna do in the future like that. And also if you want to check out all exchanges that I'm using like Bybit, Phemex, and so on, links in the video description. You can sign up with my links, get some extra deposit bonuses. Follow me up also over on Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. And of course, check out the newest upcoming crypto projects that we are covering also in today's video. They're all linked here in the video description as well. And now, guys, let's dive here straight into the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, because we got a rejection right here at $123,000 on the 4-hour time frame. And if we switch over into the CME chart, like I told you yesterday, guys, I told you that we have a fresh new CME gap down to $114,000. Of course, I give more significance to those CME gaps over on the higher time frames like the daily, but also here we have a CME gap down to 114K. So even on the daily time frame, we can see this gap. And if we switch back into the 4-hour time frame, also here you can see that we got the sell signal exactly up here at $122,000. Not only we got everywhere now bearish crosses, but also, yeah, money flow is not really increasing right now. It's just going sideways, but the RSI is now also in the bearish control zone. So we are back below the 50 level. And of course, things are looking a bit more weak right now. So we are seeing this rejection. We are coming down. We even dropped below this short-term support here at around 118K. So this is our new resistance. And even though I am bullish short-term, I'm expecting now continuation to the downside to at least 114, 115K. This support here must hold, otherwise, of course, we can easily drop down again towards the $108,000 to $109,000 level. So here we're going to have a lot of support, guys, here at around 115, 114K. I still expect that this is going to be a good buy opportunity and long opportunity if you're trading with leverage here on Bybit or Phemex or whatever exchange that you're using. I'm using always different exchanges, guys. And now I'm waiting for a good long setup, of course. I'm not shorting right now. I would have shorted if I was on the computer, in my opinion. I would have shorted it, yes, probably I would have done that, even though everyone was so FOMOing in yesterday and so on. But if you looked at the indicators, of course, they were looking quite overbought. And also here on the daily time frame, we're gonna have to see where we're gonna close, because if we start to have again daily closes below the top side of the calendar channels at 118K, then this is of course our new resistance. And therefore we could expect to go a bit lower. Therefore I'm targeting even here the median line of the calendar channel, so the 20 daily at around $112,000 to $111,000. But of course, yeah, even if that happens, we are still in an uptrend, we are still in a bull run, guys, and I don't think that the top was in here at $123,000. But of course we have to keep a very, very close eye into the indicators, what is going on, because once also on the higher time frames we are switching bearish, yeah, then eventually the move is over and we are in here for a massive corrective phase before eventually we had higher, because I still expect those high targets at 145K, 180K, 200K, and so on at some point, yes, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna shoot up straight towards those levels. Of course, we're also gonna have corrections, especially if in the higher time frames we are looking so overbought right now. So a cool down is possible, but I think that we're still perfectly on track. And something that is very concerning, guys, is, as I told you also in yesterday's video, when we have seen this big move to the upside, is the RSI. As you can see, we have here a perfect rejection right here at this resistance trend line. Let me adjust that a little bit. It was a bit offset, but you can see that here we got touch points and we came very close to touch this resistance trend line. I told you that if we're gonna create something like in the previous bull run, where we came always very close to this resistance trend line but never broke above until the bear market bottom was in down here, we could start to create this bearish divergence here for a very long time and always get rejected here and come back down. And the price of course can continue to do like this, can always where is my drawing tools? Where are my drawing tools here? I don't see them. But anyway, if we continue here to create higher highs and higher lows, the RSI can continue also to go lower and lower and create those bearish divergences like we had also in the previous run here in 2021 and 2022. This is my expectations that could happen here if we're gonna continue like that. But you can see that we are coming to this resistance. So now the big question is, are we gonna break it to the upside, or are we gonna get rejected and crash down again and have a massive corrective phase, maybe to retest the 100k area before we head higher? Because overall we're still bullish, guys. I told you that we have different price models and indicators that are suggesting that we're gonna go to much higher levels. But as I also told you, of course, something has to happen here, because on the monthly, we want to see daily monthly closes back above the top set of the candle channels. This is whenever Bitcoin is going parabolic, like here, always pushing higher and higher until we will retrace back into the candle channels and then have it as a resistance. So in order to avoid that, we need, of course, to have those monthly closes above 113k. Then I'm bullish. Then I think we're gonna go to those higher levels immediately. If not, then yes, another few months of consolidation is most likely incoming. So this is what we're gonna see, guys. But meanwhile, I think the correction will continue to go on here, probably down to 114k to close that CME gap. And then once here I have buy signals, of course I update you also sometimes when I have time in my socials here on where is it, X, Telegram, Instagram, Discord as well, of course, and so on. So sometimes when I have time I update you there. Otherwise you have to work with my own indicators, of course, if you want to trade yourself. But here I'm really waiting for the next buy setup and buy signal, which in my opinion will be appearing maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we will see. And of course, wherever Bitcoin is moving, of course, also the altcoins are moving according to that, also Ethereum, Tron, and so on. We don't gonna cover all of them today because, of course, wherever Bitcoin is going, the altcoins are moving right now. But it is possible that whenever Bitcoin is catching up again and pushing higher again, that the altcoins again will push higher and maybe even outperform Bitcoin short term. That is possible. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that as well, guys. And that's why I also keep buying into new coins that are coming up. There are some new ones that I'm buying right now. I'm gonna drop the tutorial video probably today, later on. So check it out, guys. And of course, also SPX 6900, those new coins, guys, they're still continuing to push higher and higher. Yeah, they are like in their own world, those new meme coins and altcoins that are coming out. And I'm buying currently also into the next ones, especially Bitcoin Hyper currently is getting a lot of hype, probably because of Bitcoin. And this is going to be like a layer 2 on top of Bitcoin with the narrative of a meme coin as well. You can also check it out with the link in the video description, Bitcoin Hyper, if you want. I'm buying into this coin here as well. And you can see that in the past we had the Lightning Network, Optimism, and some others, and they never really had such a big hype. And maybe Bitcoin Hyper is going to do it differently. It is already featured in different crypto websites. We will see. I bought into this project and into this coin. You can also do that if you want. Different wallets are supported, and of course also here very high staking rewards if you're buying those coins. You can also, if you want, just connect here the wallet, like MetaMask for example, and then you can buy and stake those coins like I did and accumulate more and more rewards if you are in here for Bitcoin Hyper. And of course the other one is Snorter and also Token 6900, a completely new meme printer that is coming up. Here is only about the meme, so that's why I'm checking it out right now. More and more people are jumping on board here, and that's why also here I hope that this one is going to be the next SPX 6900 that will have the same performance. Would be great, we will see. Meanwhile, I have invested into those coins, guys, so check them out if you also want to be following me. So that's it for now, guys. I expect a bit more downside, but once I get here sell signals, I'm probably gonna open up a nice long position and keep you updated, of course. So stay tuned, be subscribed, thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.